Events are a great way to promote interactions in your community and connect with members. However, the reminders you send members can make or break attendance. So we've added a customizable email reminder. Let's check how to use it. Head to the Client Portal settings and access the email settings. Switch to the Communities tab and locate the Group Event Emails area. There, click Default Template next to Event Reminder. Select your desired template from the drop-down menu. Click Edit to further customize the template. Or click Save to set your changes. The personalized emails help you improve the appeal of your reminders and add more branded elements that help you increase your event attendance, improve your content, and strengthen your connection with members. Using this new tool, you can take control of the event reminder emails and improve their effectiveness, helping you provide branded and customized experiences to your community members. We hope you enjoy it.